Hello friends, welcome to e-learning class of Yogeshwari Nutan Vidyalay, Ambazogai. In this video, we are going to learn the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of a fraction. We will also learn the multiplication and division of fractions. So, watch the video carefully. Multiplication of fractions using an activity of a rectangular strip 3/5 into 1/2. Let's take a rectangular strip having 5 equal parts. Shade the 3 parts of that strip, means 3/5 part. Now again divide that strip into 2 equal parts using a horizontal line. Shade the half part of that total strip. The portion having common shaded part is our answer of multiplication. Means out of 10 parts, 3 parts are commonly shaded. So answer is 3/10. Always remember, while doing multiplication of fractions, we have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Let's learn some more examples. Example number 1. 2/3 into 4/3. While doing multiplication of fractions, we have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Means product of numerators is to be written in numerator and product of denominators is written in the denominator. So 2 into 4, 8, 3 into 3, 9. अपूर्णांकांचा गुणाकार करताना अंशाने अंशाला गुणावे व छेदाने छेदाला गुणावे. अंशांचा गुणाकार अंशस्थानी लिहावा, छेदांचा गुणाकार छेदस्थानी लिहावा. This is the simplest form because these two numbers are not divisible by any number other than 1. अंश आणि छेद या संख्यांना एक सोडून कोणत्याच संख्येने भाग जात नाही, म्हणून हे अपूर्णांकाचे अतिसंक्षिप्त रूप आहे. एक्झाम्पल नंबर 2. 5/4 into 5/7. We have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 5 into 5/4 into 7. 5 into 5, 25. Upon 4 into 7, 28. This is also a simplest form or lowest form of this fraction. हे देखील या अपूर्णांकाचे अतिसंक्षिप्त रूप आहे. एक्झाम्पल नंबर 3. 9/8 into 8/9. Numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. So 9 into 8/8 into 9. 9 8 72 upon 8 9 72. Now this is not a simplest form of this fraction because 72 is divisible by 72. So let's divide 72 1 72, 72 1 72. अंश आणि छेद या दोन्ही संख्यांना 72 ने भाग जातो, म्हणून दोघांनाही 72 ने भागलं. 72 1 72, 72 1 72. So answer is 1/1 means 1. Example number 4. 6/9 into 3/5. Numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. 6 into 3/9 into 5. 6 3s are 18 upon 9 5s are 45. Now we have to convert this fraction into its simplest form or lowest form. आता आपल्याला या अपूर्णांकाचे संक्षिप्त रूप लिहायचे आहे. Now we have to divide these two numbers by common number. आता आपल्याला या दोघांनाही एका समान संख्येने भागायचे आहे. 18 आणि 45 ही संख्या 3 आणि 9च्या पाड्यात येते. त्यापैकी आपण मोठ्या संख्येने भागूयात. लेट्स डिवाइड these two numbers by 9. 18 divided by 9, 45 divided by 9. So 9 2s are 18 and 9 5s are 45. So it is a simplest form. आता ह्या संख्येला 1 शिवाय कशानेच भाग जात नाही, म्हणून ही संक्षिप्त रूप आहे. साहेबराव planted bananas on 2/7 of his field of 21 acres. What is the area of the banana plantation? So let's find 2/7 of 21 acres. म्हणजे आपल्याला 21चा 2/7 भाग काढावा लागेल. 2/7 of means multiplication operation. Denominator of 21 is 1. So multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 2 into 21 upon 7 into 1. So 2 into 21 is 42 upon 7 into 1, 7. Now let's divide 42 by 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 6s are 42. Means Sahebrao planted bananas in his 6 acres. This example can be solved using another method. Let's see. 2/7 into 21 means we have to make 7 equal parts of 21 acres and we have to take that 2 parts. 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. Now multiply 2 with 3. 2 into 3, that is 6. So Sahebrao planted bananas in his 6 acres of field. Observe the following multiplications carefully. In each example, the product of two numbers is 1. So these numbers are called multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of each other. एखाद्या अपूर्णांकाला त्याच्या अंश व छेदांची अदलाबदल करून मिळणाऱ्या अपूर्णांकाने गुणले असता गुणाकार 1 येतो. अशा दोन्ही संख्यांना एकमेकींच्या गुणाकार व्यस्त संख्या असे म्हणतात. Here reciprocal of 5/6 is 6/5. Reciprocal of 3/2 is 2/3. Reciprocal of 4 is 1/4. And reciprocal of 71/3 is 3/71. म्हणजेच अंश व छेद यांची अदलाबदल केल्यास गुणाकार व्यस्त संख्या मिळते. Let's learn some more examples. Reciprocal of 2/9 is 9/2. Reciprocal of 1/5 is 5 upon 1. Reciprocal of 1 is 1, but 0 has no reciprocal. Let's learn the division of fractions. Example number 1. 2 upon 5 divided by 3 upon 7. Dividing 2 upon 5 by 3 upon 7 means multiplying 2 upon 5 by the reciprocal of 3 upon 7 means 7 upon 3. 2/5 ला 3/7 ने भागणे म्हणजेच 2/5 ला 3/7 च्या गुणाकार व्यस्त संख्येने गुणणे. Here we have to convert the example of division into multiplication operation. Step number 1. Write first number as it is. Convert division into multiplication and write the reciprocal of second number. अपूर्णांकांचा भागाकार करताना पहिली संख्या जशास तशी लिहावी, भागाकाराच्या जागी गुणाकाराचे चिन्ह द्यावं आणि दुसऱ्या संख्येची गुणाकार व्यस्त संख्या लिहावी. So let's multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 2 into 7 14 upon 5 into 3 15. These numbers are not divisible by any number other than 1, so it is a simplest form. Example number 2. 6 upon 9 divided by 3 upon 4. Write the first number as it is. Convert division into multiplication and write the reciprocal of second number, that is 4 upon 3. Multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 6 into 4 24 upon 9 into 3 27. Now 24 and 27, these both numbers are divisible by 3, so let's divide them by 3. 3 8s are 24 and 3 9s are 27. So answer is 8 upon 9. Example number 3. 4 divided by 2 upon 5. First number 4 as it is. Convert division into multiplication and reciprocal of second number, that is 5 upon 2. Denominator of 4 is 1, so multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 4 into 5 20 upon 1 into 2 2. These two numbers are divisible by 2, so let's divide them by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 10s are 20. So answer is 10 upon 1 means 10. Example number 4. 5 upon 6 divided by 5. We have to write first number as it is. Convert division into multiplication and reciprocal of 5 is 1 upon 5. Multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 5 into 1 5 upon 6 into 5 30. Now these numbers are divisible by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30. So answer is 1 upon 6. In this way we can carry out the division of fractions.